So guys, look what I woke up to this morning. Jesus.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
So guys, look what I woke up to this morning. This started around 10 o'clock last night. This is the aftermath, and it's now 5 minutes to 9. And it's going up all the way until like 6 p.m. this evening. Let's take a look around the back. So, yeah. This is actually to the side of the house. That's what's going on. Yeah. And this is the back of the house. Or part of the back of the house. Yeah. So, welcome to KeneishaSays. Wasn't planning on doing a video, but I had to show you that. So, this morning, the kiddos are here. Them have snow day. So, they're here. My sister over there, so. So, them just putting them breakfast order, because me and chef and them maid. We haven't done anything. I literally just got up. They got up maybe like an hour before, and half an hour before. And don't get a big. Yeah, me hear them, but me just still in the bed. That makes sense. So me just get up and then make request for breakfast. And so I'm gonna give them some breakfast. I said I want tin sausage. So I'm gonna fry these 2 sausages. And I said I want eggs. Egg them run out. I can't afford egg, people. I cannot afford it. But I don't want scrambled egg. So I'm gonna give them 3 eggs. We might eat some too. So come here, Anna, crusty. Somebody can't take care of the girl here.
While.
Huh?
Can I eat some fruit a while?
Want fruits?
Yeah,
Let's see, guys, I did a record back side though. Let me need a record.
Mommy,
Huh?
mango is a fruit.
Mango is a fruit, but I don't think we have any mangoes. We have strawberries.
I like some mango.
I think it's for Uncle Denzel. I have strawberries, I have grapes, I have kiwi, I have banana, I have oranges, I have mandarins.
Not mandarin.
What you want?
Tangerine.
Same damn thing. No, these are mandarins. They're small ones.
Mommy,
Yes, darling.
I want to get the ball from a parent.
Guys, I want to show you the back. So this is the backyard from the playroom side.
Mommy,
Yes, baby girl.
cats.
Okay. Ooh, look at this. Look at the height of this. You see that?
Oh, look, Mommy. It
Yeah.
looks like a car.
It looks like a car. Oh,
It
wow.
looks like a bus, too.
Look at that, people. So, still a snow all the way till this evening. You can literally, if you look a little bit closer, you can actually see the snow falling. Yeah. It's not coming down as bad right now. Yeah. So, hello, now come fix up another playroom. Put on a slippers, little girl. Come fix that playroom right now.
Me?
So, it's 2 hours now. I mean, me. Put on your slippers, I'm going to do anything though. So, I'm going to make some breakfast. I'm not going to show you the process. So, I'm still going to make breakfast and stuff like that. I just want to touch in with you guys, to show you what's going through the day. Them the home. I don't know what else still going on. I know someone clean up and do some laundry today. I don't know if I want to see me do that. But let's see what the day has to offer. Yes, daughter.
That's not coming up in the parent.
That's not that he doesn't have an option. Mr. Stewart. Do you hear me? Okay. So, I'll see you on the flip side. So guys, it's not still going itself outside. It's a little closer than I can actually see the fall. Still going on. While in the meantime, I just gave the kids their breakfast. And just make some iced coffee. And I'm just for 5 minutes and then pick up and start cleaning up the place. It's now 5 minutes after 10, so basically 1 hour since I've spoken to you guys. So I'm gonna chill a little bit, start cleaning up the place. I'm gonna be taking off all these sheets and stuff today. I see we can actually do some laundry because tomorrow's another big day. Tomorrow I'm actually have to dip on the road for a minute. So yeah, you hear them downstairs? I'm supposed to eat. What I not understand though, I've never understood this. I understand today. Today, a good amount of snow is actually falling today. So, I get that. But why school as one little bit as no matter how small it is, I could have even half inch or just on the ground, school closed. Why? So how this work? School closed, but parents are still expected to go to work. So if we go work and the kids them their home, oh, that makes sense. So does it mean now that we have to take off from work to take care of the kids because you're now off because it's here to snow? Or now we're going to have to find or go out of our way to get our kids to go somewhere else or to put them in daycare for the day. Like, it's just not adding up. Like, luckily, our schedule kind of work right now. But, like, this was horrible before when I used to have to think about where the hell the kids are going to go, or the school buses are now going to have a delay because look at the snowfall, because it's just so hard. Like, it's not making any sense. If we don't have no school, not have no work, need always still get we pay. How about that? Something need to give, but this don't make no sense. This don't make no sense. Because my husband, he works for the mail, for the post office. We all know this. He's out there in this snow. He's going to be walking through the snow today to deliver your mail. Right? To deliver your mail. If I had to go to work today, who the hell would I have been picking them? Come on, make this make sense. It's not making sense at all. We got to do something. Out of the government or someone, when I've come up with something. If the school is closed, work closed too. Because there is no way. It's very hard for us parents to figure out what is going to happen with our kids when we have to go to work. Especially if you're a single parent. We got to do something. That makes no sense. Anyways, I'm going to drink my coffee. I'll talk to y'all later.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.
Hey guys, alright, so it is the next day. And we're really just for the road. Alright, so but last minute I say no. I had changed my internet plan from Xfinity to Frontier. So I care about Xfinity them equipment them. So we just reached. I pick it down. We just reached. So my care in there with me. Let's go. Hello. Good morning. I'm returning some equipment because I canceled the plan. Okay, thank you.
What's the address on your account?
I have the wires too. I don't know if you guys still want them back.
I mean, I'll take them. It's just such a mess. That's all.
Alright guys, so I'm back in. No, this big old bump coming. I don't know what going on my face and all these bumps. Jesus, please. So I am heading back home. I forgot my way back home. Okay, you know my use GPS for everything. I use GPS and got lost. But I'll try to use GPS to go back home. Let's see what happened for the rest of the day. So I'll see you when I get home. Alright. Guys, I'm back home. If I still don't come back completely. So I'm about to head downstairs to get me some breakfast. I'm thinking about some spinach, some omelet with spinach, and make me some iced coffee. So let's head downstairs. I have to clean up. And I want to change the sheets until I spend some laundry today. So got my work cut out for me today. This place is a mess. Look what people look on my face. Oh my goodness. I don't know what's going on. 1 minute is good, my next minute it looks like a hot mess. Alrighty then. Let me get me coffee ready. So I want to try something new, like one of the coffee that I bought the other day. Stop and Shop brand one, so it tastes. I have the French vanilla. I have the hazelnut. Ooh, I think I have this one. Caramel swirl. Let's try this one today. See, I'm going to try the caramel swirl today. And while that's happening, I'll get my egg ready. Guys, yesterday when I last spoke with you, I think I literally just drank. Yesterday when I last spoke with you guys, I was literally just drinking some iced coffee. After I done that, my sisters and my mom called, and it was a wrap. Like, I lose all my energy and everything. But me eventually get a little bit of energy back tonight evening when I 4 o'clock. Change all my sheet and the curtain from my bed. Wash out some stuff. And what is going open? It's nice. It's not so good. And then we eventually do the same thing for Tristan's room. Change it down a little bit. These are cute. It's a that's for me week, so. I know. I normally measure it out, but right now we just what's a Jamaican measurement panel? Yeah. Voila. Alright guys, so breakfast is ready. I have kind of omelets with spinach, orange or yellow and green bell peppers with cheese and tomato and just some bacon on the side. So that is breakfast. And then I have with me also some iced coffee, as you can see. So yeah. Oh, this tastes so good. So guys, I'm gonna eat now, so I'll catch you guys later. Guys, I have packages. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what's inside this box first. So excited. So this just came from Amazon. And then also the So yeah, the kids they're collecting vitamin C. I got found this shirt. I saw this advertising on Facebook through Amazon and I just want it. But I don't know why I don't want it. But I have no special thing. Sure enough. Black and Smart. So it's a long dress, long sleeves, it's kind of off the shoulder type thing, and then long army shorts. I'm so short. And then it has like the split on here. So I'll try it on over this and say look. It's not gonna do much justice. I just want to get an idea if it makes sense. Oh, you may choke. May I choke? Jesus, people keep in mind I want a thick shirt. I have on a thick shirt. And like, what? Jesus. Jesus.
Oh no!
What is going on? Alright. So, I don't know, a lot of things going on under here with the shirt and lift up. Maybe let's talk about it better. This looks like a hot mess. Let's go upstairs and see if we can put something better. Come on. Let's do this better. Let's do this better. Let's do this better. Let's do this better. Oh, Lord. All right. So see here, people. So this is it. Don't look too bad. Comb my hair and stuff. This is the side. I need to work on my guts and stuff. I'm love hangers here, but for the most part, that's it. And then it has like this split here. So yeah, that's what I like it. I like it. Right bra and stuff. Can wear like with the sneakers. So yeah, so yeah, not look that bad. Not look that bad. It's working in cuts. But it's not that bad. I like it. I like it. Yeah. May get vacation vibes from this. Yeah. Alright. But I'm gonna finish the rest of them. And nothing spectacular or anything fancy inside here. Just like regular stuff. So we got that. We got a kit of vitamin C. Let's see what else. Oh, I saw this advertising. Catch my fingernail, no sir. I saw this advertising, and like it says to refine pores, drawing out the buildup of impurities, brightening the look of your skin, giving skin a matte appearance, gently cleansing stressed skin, manage breakup prone skin, and restore your skin's balance. So with all that going on my face right now, let's hope this works. Got like 2 bottles or 2 boxes, and let's see how it looks inside of it. So inside looks like this. Why my hand looks so much? This one not better than lotion. Okay, so it's like a mask. It's a green tea mask stick. And it looks like this. Don't wash my hand. No, it's my hand dry. I'm gonna lotion it when I'm done. And I guess you rub it on your face after you wash it. So you wash it first. Let's see how you use it. Green tea mask stick. How to use. Clean your face with facial cleanser. Spin out the stick and remove the plastic cover and apply it on your face. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes to harden, then wash off with water. Suggest for normal skin once a week, oil skin combination. I have a combination of drying, so they say I can use 2 to 3 times a week. So I'll try this tonight and see how that works. So another the cap for it. So I'll try that tonight and see what's the hype about. Alright, so that is that. Got 2 more things. It's some probiotics. And then this is my kind of moisturizer. Garnier. I've been using these for years, and it kind of wake up my skin. So it's Garnier's Skin Active Miracle Anti-Fatigue. So all of them, when you look tired like this, you put it on just like a wake up. So that's been helping me for years. And that is it. So I'm gonna finish doing laundry and take off the dress here and go finish cleaning up. I was cleaning up Chavania's room, and I want to wash the bathroom. I'm gonna go take out something to cook and clean up the kitchen. So it's actually after 1 now. I've been eating breakfast from the last time I see and just watching a movie. And I need to go to something now. So yeah, today's one of them days. Today is one of those days. Anyways, I'll see you in the next clip.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing. Screw wish I knew.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.